In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to FaceTime yourself on any Apple device. Yes, you heard that right. This can be a handy trick for testing your camera setup, your audio quality, or just for experimenting with different lighting conditions. So let's dive right in and take you through this process step by step. First, you'll need two Apple devices. It could be any two combinations, like an iPhone paired with an iPad, or an iPhone and a Mac computer. The key here is that each device needs to be signed in with different Apple IDs or at least separate contact details, such as an email or phone number. This distinction is crucial because it will allow the devices to communicate with each other through FaceTime. Next, you'll want to make sure that FaceTime is enabled on both pieces of hardware. To do this, head to the settings menu on each device. Scroll until you find the apps section, then look for FaceTime and make sure the toggle is switched on. This setting is what allows the devices to connect through FaceTime calls. Now, once you've got FaceTime enabled on both devices, it's time to start the call. Take device A and open the FaceTime app. You'll see an option to start a new FaceTime call. Here, you'll need to enter the phone number or email address that's linked to device B. Be meticulous with the details because entering the wrong information will mean you're not going to connect the call. After you have entered the correct contact information, look for either the video or audio button within FaceTime. Tap on whichever you prefer to initiate the call to yourself. There you go, the initial steps to dialing yourself in via FaceTime. When the call is made from device A, shift your attention over to device B. You should see the usual FaceTime call notification, answer it just like you would any other incoming FaceTime call, and voila, you're now officially FaceTiming yourself. This isn't just a neat trick for showing off to your friends. There are practical uses too. You might want to practice your camera angles before heading into an important video call, for instance, or perhaps you're keen to optimize your lighting setup to make sure you're well presented on camera. Additionally, this method is fantastic for testing audio and video quality, offering a real-time assessment. And let's not forget, it can be an effective tool for content creators who want to screen record when creating tutorials or other types of media. So there you have it. By leveraging two different Apple devices and following these straightforward steps, you can ensure optimal performance and experiment with different setups, all while FaceTiming yourself. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now all set to give it a try.